yung portfolio ko ngayon, hindi naman completely zero sa stocks, no? Pero mas long-term na yung strategy ko. Mas long-term stocks and also dividend-paying stocks similar to REITs. Pero karamihan ng ating portfolio ay nasa funds na. Diba? Sa Ramper Online. Kasi pag inopen mo na lang yung Ramper Online, ay kita mo na how your funds are performing. At yun na lang yung iisipin mo, yung magkano ba yung ilalagay ko dito every month versus every day, o ano yung kailangan kong bilhin, ano yung kailangan kong ibenta.
Kasi minomonitor pa, di ba?
Oo. And the benefit is, performance talaga. This is a challenge to you, KRFS. If you can outperform some of your funds, then good for you. But I believe for most of us who can't really look into the markets every day, hindi natin mabibit ang ating professionally managed funds. Last year, 2025, yung highest performing fund natin ay around 43 or 44%, no? Ang
Laki
ating,
nun.
oo, and available yun sa Ramper Online. Yung stock portfolio nyo ba ay naka-achieve ng 43 or 44% for 1 year, 12 months, no? Net of fees na yun, ha? Net of all taxes and fees, 44%. So, yun lang, reality check. If you want to look into it, if you still want to do trading, fine, do it yourself. It's your journey. Pero our advice is, our recommendation is, start with mutual funds and UITFs.